Hi guys, it's Wednesday around, oh no, there's an I don't know how to call it. It's the thing that looks like bee, but it looks like its butt is separated from its body. And I have no idea how this thing called, but she's always here and I know what she wants to do. She wants to have a nest here, like to put her eggs. And I don't want her to do it inside the house. But I wanted to go outside. What to do? I need to scare her somehow. Shh. Oh, my neighborhoods are back. They were away for some time, maybe months or something. I wanted to say that after I put this shadow sink here, my flower started to look much better and the onion is growing. I cut it yesterday for the salad, like half of it, and hopefully it's gonna grow more. And like, I have no idea why this flower has this white spots, but maybe that's normal for this plant. And this one I think I need to cut it so it became like a bit more bushy and doesn't have this, because like when I was repotting it, a part of it fall off and I put it in the water, and that's what I have now. Like it has roots, and it like the roots came like the second day after I put it in the water. So yeah, it's still hot outside, and I'm very lazy today. I did almost nothing. I did a bit stuff with the tops that I want to do. Actually, I wanted to explain you about the sewing machine. So yesterday I went to the store. I told it already yesterday evening, but I want to tell a bit more. So yesterday I went to the store. It's not a machine store, it's a fabric store that mostly sells fabric for the like a material to sew stuff. I came there because I saw in the Google Maps that they have some machines there. So I went there, and usually people are quite nice and they are explaining to you, like the owners, what are those machines, like, etc. So I popped up to a woman, and she and her husband, they are owners of the shop. And what she told me is, first of all, she told me stuff that I think is like logical, and I was thinking about it, that like most of the machines are made on the same like in the same place, basically, in China. Like 75% of them are made in China, and 25% of them are made in Japan. So it's not really important which I don't know the vocabulary for this to explain. Brand, okay. So it's not really important which brand of the sewing machine you get, because most of them are made in the same place, in China or in Japan. And what she said is, like, the price that they have, the cheap machine, they have cheap details inside. So maybe the mechanism, the main mechanism are the same and they made the same, but some small parts, they are cheap, so they broke quickly and blah blah blah, you know. And also what she said is like that the best machines, to her knowledge, are Singer heavy duty. And as I see from the internet, there's no just like one model of Singer heavy duty. There's like a bunch of them. And yeah, okay, I have my budget, and I need to like see what kind of models I can purchase with this budget. We have a Singer shop here in Cyprus, and I wanted to call them today, but it's Friday and they work until 12:30. So I will need to call them tomorrow, or I might be going to their place tomorrow. Because I'm going to the city, because my plastic for my driver's license is ready, so I need to pick it up, and I might pass by this shop. So yeah, I want to pass by this shop, by Singer shop, and I want to ask them if they have this kind of machines or if they deliver this kind of machines, because like, okay, Andrew found it in Amazon yesterday, but the thing is, you know, when it broke, what do? I send it back to Amazon. It's too much. Like, I really want to have some local store to buy it from, so when it's when something happens, I can use my guarantee and I can go there, you know. And the woman from the shop that explained to me about Singer and blah blah blah, she had some machines in her shop, and she said that they will have an update in the middle of September with new machines. And also she said that she gave the 2 years guarantee for those machines, and she personally picks the machines that would last longer, because it is her who will need to fix them if they broke, you know. So yeah, I need to think, I need to go to Singer and to talk to them. Sorry. Yeah, that's what I wanted to explain. I am going to make a sweet syrniki today. Yeah, it's Wednesday and I'm only making them now because that's how it is. I didn't make it on the weekends because my leg hurt at that time. Yeah, I actually want to show you how I do them. Still, I think it's pretty easy, and I told you the ingredients, but still, I think maybe if you're interested, I'm gonna show you. And Andrew specifically asked me to make a sweet syrniki because he really liked them, me too. And we also took you saw the jams for them on the weekends when I made the grocery. So we had jams, we only missing syrniki. So guys, usually I add to my syrniki just like a nari cheese. As I said, not cottage cheese. I think that's what we do in Russia. Okay, so I add a nari cheese. I buy this one unsalted because it could be also salted. This pack is 785 grams. Then I also add a couple of eggs, sometimes more, I don't remember. Couple of eggs, cup of sugar. Hopefully I have enough sugar. I think that's just exact amount left for that. What else? A little bit of salt and flour. But As another cheese is a bit different, I would say it's a bit dry. So what I think is that today I maybe try to use the Greek yogurt to add it. So basically this is the cheese. This is how it looks. And you can, like, it splits easily and it breaks easily in your hands. I like this cheese. It smells really good. So yeah, sometimes I grinder it on a grinder, on a kitchen grinder, and sometimes I just use my hands because, you know, that's what, like, it's kind of easy to do. Ooh. And yeah, today I think I will add a little bit of Greek yogurt. And I'll try to mix it together with the Greek yogurt, with eggs, and I'll do it with the mixer. Maybe I will create more consistent product, because when we cook it on a pan, it kind of like not consistent, you know, it breaks apart. And it's a bit annoying. I would love for it to be, so to say, creamy and like like as a one piece. I have a bit of yogurt. I also read in the internet that I need to give time to the flour and the eggs to like work together. Maybe that's also one of my mistakes. So, Greek yogurt. I've added like 5 spoons, 5-6 spoons. Sure. So now we take a mixer and we mix. But что ты хочешь? I'm not gonna do it with you because it's gonna be too loud. So I mixed a little bit the cheese and the yogurt. Now I need a dry cup. And I'm gonna put some sugar in it. As you know, I use raw sugar. Oh, that's why it has this brown color. Oh. Yes, it's like I have exactly this amount of sugar, or maybe a bit less, but it's okay. As long as you're gonna eat it with the jam, I think that's enough. I might also check if I have other sugar. No, I need to tell Andrew to buy the sugar. So this is what I have. Usually I do a little bit more. We put it inside. We put some couple of eggs. Maybe I'll use 3 because this one is, they look too small. Okay. A little bit of salt. Where is the salt? That's just a pinch. And what else? Flour. Also the same amount as sugar. This is what I do. Where's the glass? Where did I put the glass? I don't know how it works. Okay, I'm gonna take the other one here. This is a whole, how it calls, whole meat flour, so it has some pieces inside. It's not just white. So this amount of flour, maybe I'll put half and then I'll look at how it goes. Okay, because I don't really remember how much flour I added last time. And we mix it all again. Yeah, I actually realized that this kind of mixing is not too loud, so I can do it with you as well. Still, when I mix it with this thing, I will mix it with my hands afterwards. But it's a bit easier to do it first with the mixer and then with hands. Because sometimes mixer can't like break some of the pieces. I definitely need more. I definitely need more flour. So we added a cup, a full cup. So I think now I'm gonna mix it with my hands. Yeah, there are some pieces, some sugar pieces, and also a nari that I didn't broke really well. So I might find them now. And yeah, as I read in the internet that I can wait a bit for the flour and eggs to start working together. It means that I'm gonna form them a little bit later. And what I usually do is I take the soft kitchen deck like this. I place them on it. I form them like kinda the same size. I try them to make them the same size, and then I just freeze them on this deck. I put them in the freezer. They freeze, and then I take the Ziploc and I put them there and I store it like this. And when we cook them, first we put them in the pan for like 5 out of 8 heat for them to defrost at first, and then like for maybe 10-12 minutes, and then we just make this okay, we just cook them nicely from both sides. Okay, so yeah, this is it. I'm gonna tell you how it is, and I'm already sure that it's gonna be tasty, but we're gonna try them tomorrow morning. And I already see that with the yogurt the consistency of the dough is much better than it was before, and by using the mixer. So we're gonna wait a little. So this is the final look of it. It's very soft and very nice texture. So I'm gonna wait for maybe half an hour, maybe a bit more. Maybe I'll cover it with something, and I'm gonna wait, and then I'm going to form the syrnikis. I'm gonna put them in the freezer, and we're gonna enjoy them. For my SD card got full. So what I was saying is that we're gonna enjoy our syrnikis for about a week, I think. And now, a bit later, I'm going to cook dinner, but I'm not gonna do much because this week we bought canned tuna. So I think I'll just make a nice salad with tomatoes, cucumbers, onion, and tuna, and some spices. So yeah, I don't need to do a lot, so I can wait a little bit and start after. So maybe I'll wait for dough to create its chemistry between between the things inside it, and after I can form the syrniki, I can put them in the freezer, and then I can cook the salad. Guys, it's Thursday morning. I just wanted to quickly show you how the sweet syrniki looks like when it's ready. Yeah. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay. So this is how it looks like, and Andrea also has a cream cheese and strawberry jam. Bon appetit. So guys, good Thursday morning once again. Kalimera. As you understood, I had breakfast, and I'm on my way. I'm a bit late already. I'm on my way to the city. I need to pick up the driving license, the plastic ones, and a friend of mine, she asked me to go to second hands with her, to show her the shops first of all, because she never been, and maybe to help understand how the whole second hand I don't know, thing is working, how to check clothes if they're quality ones or not, and all of that. I can be in time, but it depends on what's going on with parking, and I don't really know what's going on with parking on Thursday. So yeah, I woke up a bit late. I should have wake up a bit earlier, so I'd have time to, to do my hair. I washed them, but I just air blowed it without anything because I didn't have time. So yeah, and also yesterday I tried to call, I told you already, I tried to call to the Zinger place and they weren't working, so I think that maybe I'll go to this shop as well. And a friend of mine moved very close to us, like 7 minutes drive towards the city, and it might be that on my way back I will visit her as well in her new house. I'm so excited, and yeah, I will see if she'll have time. We discussed it yesterday, but I don't know if she still has the time. I'll need to call her. I'm home. Oh, it's around 6 p.m. I went to the city. I met with a friend. We visited several secondhand shops. I actually bought a dress that I saw before, but the price for it was 15 euros. And today they had a discount and I got it for 3 euro. It was amazing. It's a mango dress, like long one, beautiful one. I love the color. I don't think I'm gonna wear it as a dress. I really like how it looks, like I don't know the word in English, but not like a dress, but like a upper level, upper layer, you know. Like not here, not in this combination, but maybe to have a top underneath and like have it as like this. I really like it. I found pants for Andrew, house pants, and some other stuff. Also, I visited a friend of mine. She moved. Oh my God, what happened here? She moved to the house. She lived in the apartment in the city, and now she moved to the house in the place that basically like 10 minutes drive from my home. And I went from the city to here, and on my way I just stayed at her place for some time, for an hour or so, and then went home. She gave me some village stuff like bread and sausage, vine sausages, and village halloumi cheese, which is amazing. And also she shared with me some clothes because she has a relative who she gives her like boxes of clothes, and she takes some for her, and she was like, do you want to take them and to like go through them? And of course I do. I will go through them. I will see if there are some stuff that I can reuse or like, you know, and the rest of it I'm gonna bring it to a secondhand shop or to a shop or to a container that where you can put the clothes. I just came home, and one of the village cats, she was really hungry and she was really asking us for food, and Andrew gave her Simba's food, and the other like 5 cats came, so Andrew needed to like stay next to her so she can eat. It was fun. Oh, now we gotta, Andrew is heating the charcoal, and we're gonna do this pork sausages that I showed you. It's not like sausages, but they look like sausages, so that's why I name it like this. It names in Cyprus we name it sheftalia. So yeah, we're gonna do them in grill, and I wonder how it's gonna be, because I assume it's gonna be very, very good. Yeah, guys, we had the dinner, and there's a girl that also had a dinner. We gave her some food. now she's spending time next to our house as well. Yeah, we went to the shop and got something sweet for the tea, and yeah, now I'm going to make this video for you, and we're gonna rest, watch some TV, and just lay down. I'm pretty tired from driving and walking today. So guys, thank you so much for being here, for watching, for your likes. I really appreciate it, and I see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye.